E-learning is expanding rapidly, and while I'm recording this tutorial, approximately 49% of students have already completed some form of online education. That's a huge number, to be honest. If you are planning to make your mark in the e-learning industry and build a strong learner community like industry giants, but aren't sure where to begin, this tutorial is perfect starting point. So today I'm going to show you how you can create a perfect course from scratch and also cover the basics of creating a discussion space where your students can connect, collaborate, and grow together, all using a free WordPress plugin, which is FluentCommunity. So this tool is packed with all the learning management system and a full course builder that make it a strong choice for any learning platform. Whether you are launching your first course or building a whole learning ecosystem with community interaction, FluentCommunity has got everything for you. So let's get into the action. So here I'm starting from the WordPress dashboard. I'll go to the plugins and just add plugin. Okay, from the search bar, I will search FluentCommunity. Okay, here is my FluentCommunity. I'll just hit install. It's a very lightweight plugin, so it will not take more than a second. Okay. I'll just hit activate. Okay, so here is my FluentCommunity. Okay, so my FluentCommunity is officially running and up. So here you can see there is name your community and community portal URL. So I will start with a community name, with a great community name, which will be my e-learning platform. Okay. Platform. And I will keep my portal as it is. I'll choose a perfect logo for my community. So there is a recommended dimensions also, as you can see in the screen. So I'm going to upload my logo. Okay, I just picked my personal logo for my community. You can choose as per your business need, as per your community needs. Okay, so just hit continue to next. Here you can easily select your FluentCommunity template, as my community name is e-learning platform. So I'm running course. So I will pick course and just hit continue to next. Okay. So in this page, there is access and features. Some more features you can see in the page. Access portal, marketing automation, also Fluent SMTP, and some updated via email. Okay. Now I have to set up the access. I can either make it exclusive only for the logged in users or keep it accessible to everyone. So as a newcomer, I would love to attract as many learners as I can. So this is why I'm staying with the public options. And with time, when the community grows, maybe I will make it a private to only community members. So I can also see there is some helpful recommendations. Marketing, there are some marketing automations, which is Fluent CRM. I just checked it. And there is Fluent SMTP. It is also recommended because for the email deliverability. Okay. So here is my name. I will just give my name. Like. Okay. So here's my mail address. 025. So there are two checkboxes, one for newsletters and another for sharing info with FluentCommunity. So I will tick them both and finish it up. Okay, save and finish. Just a few seconds and my community will be live. So just wait for a few seconds. And look at what I have there, the central dashboard. It's actually served as a smart admin hub, like giving a quick access to everything I need. So here's my portal. You can see there is a portal settings, there is a customizations, and also there is a manage course content, and there are some helpful documentations for your deep insights. So you can easily go to the documentation site and get your insights from there. Okay, and therefore upgraded to Pro, right? If you want to have more customization options, you have to go for the Pro versions. Okay, so now I'll stick with the go to portal for the portal settings. Well, on the left, I have got two community threads. One is Get Started and one is Courses. Also, these are called spaces in FluentCommunity where all the conversation happen. And so I will get it to later. So at the top here is my feed options where all the posts from my side and also from the member side will be shown up. And there's space, quick links of space, courses, and members. So the navigation is incredibly fast. Everything loads smoothly without any delay. So let's jumping into the courses. So as you can see, there is two dummy courses already appears because I have already selected my community as a course. So that's why these are appears. So now I will start to create a new course in the scratch. So just hit new course. So so first I will give the course a title, something like clear and compelling that tells learners exactly what they're getting and that create a slug for the URL. So I'll just, there is my slug, which is also optional. If you want to do this, you can do this. So here is my descriptions that I just wrote earlier for saving the time. Okay. So this is very important part. Like in this privacy settings, there's something more strategic, right? So I have got the three options. Here I can make the course public, which means anyone in my community can find it and enroll. It's a great solution if you are offering it like free and want to attract more learners to grow your community. Like, okay, if I set to private, only me or my assigned team can manually add learners. So it's perfect for more controlled or paid access to courses. In case you want the course to stay completely under the radar unless you specifically invite your learners, you can choose this. You can choose the secret. So it's ideal for private coaching groups or members only courses. So for this walkthrough, I'm going to set it public because that way, anyone in my community can jump in and start learning right away. So now I have the menu groups, and here you can see. So this helps organize where the course will show up in the community, since I already have pre-built group called courses. So I'll just drop it there. So after that, I have the enrollment type, so which is basically controls how learners access the courses. Like if I go with the self-paced, students get instant access to everything after they enroll. It's fast and flexible. So as I'm crafting a free course, so I'll choose this one later. But if I choose to unlock lessons slowly based on when someone signs up, you should go with a structure. And going with the schedule, like it won't provide courses access to learners on their enrollment. So they will get access to it on specific dates. Okay. So just as I said earlier, I'll go with the self-paced. Okay. So as I'm building this course, so I'll just check draft. And after that, when I build my course, I'll go with the published. Okay. So moving forward, in the feature customizations, I have few checkboxes to tailor the course experience. Like I don't want people picking at the content without signing up, so I'm leaving that first one unchecked. So as I want to know how my learners think about the courses, so comments are staying on. And as for displaying the number of enrolled students, I prefer to keep that information private. So I'm enabling the hide options here. Okay, so moving forward, so here is my thumbnail and there is a recommended size over there. So I'm just uploading my thumbnail from the options. So here is my thumbnail. It's looking good. So just hit create. So everything looks great now. So, well, the interface, to add learning content has come up. So to organize course content, first I need to add section. So just hit section and hit save. So you can see my section has created already. And now I will add lesson, right? Okay. Well, so here is my lessons. So now in this part, what I'm going to do is I'll just just hit add and edit. Okay. So here is my editor. So from there, I can easily add my heading. I can, if I type slash, there is action blocks are open appears. And if I hit plus button, what will be happen? There is some bunch of action blocks are appears. You can see there is a text. Also, there is a media options, the design and widgets. And easily you can embed your videos from YouTube, and also there are so many options you can do this. So if I go to the patterns, what I can see there is all the patterns are there. If I select like banners, there are some pre-built banners are there. You can just drag and drop over there. And also there is a media options. Okay, you can easily open any file or format from your computer. Just select files and it will be uploaded. Nice. So now what I'm gonna do is I'll just give a heading for my course. So I'll pick the plus button. Now from the plus button, I will choose heading. So nice. So I'll just head like H5 heading and just paste it there. And also you can do this. Yeah, it's done. Fantastic. So the Python programming and the answers is here. So I want to embed a YouTube link. So what I'm gonna do, I just hit plus. I'll go to the embed options and just YouTube. As you can see, the embed options is already appeared. What you will do, you'll just embed it. Awesome. As you can see, there is W3 schools and the Python interactions is here. So that's the way you can easily embed your course link from the YouTube to there. It will look good. Okay. Let's save it from there. So let's go back and I will add another lesson under the section. So yeah, just open my editor. So I'm not gonna add any headings. So I'll just add a description of this. Awesome. I'm just adding an image of VS Code. Okay. You can also tap plus button and also take the image options from there. But for you, the quick trick is just type slash and type image. As you can see, there is an image appears. Okay. So I'm just uploading it from my computer. Just open it. As you can see, this looks great. So I will reshape it. You can do it as per your preference. Okay, that's it. So I'll just hit save and go back to the lessons. Okay, let's make another section. So I'll paste it there. Hit save. As you can see, there is another section created. It will like my another section will work. My lessons are working or not. I will just check it. So I'll hit add lesson and just add an edit. Again, my editor option open, paste it there. Awesome. It looks great, right? Just hit save. Go back to your section. So that's how easy it is to build your course content lesson by lesson, and I'll fast track the rest for you. So while I finish, you can go ahead, stretch your legs and grab a cup of coffee. A complete course filled with actionable lessons to help my learners grow. So with the course all set up, the next step is to switch it from the draft mode to live so that it becomes accessible for my learners. So let's go to the edit lesson, edit the course. So as you can remember, I just from the starting I just draft it, and now I can publish it so that it can hit update info, save changes and close. Okay. So with that, I'm ready with my first course completely free for my learners. Right now, course sharing. Okay. So everything is set up now. So let's go back to home and go to the course. Just hit view courses. I think from there you can copy the link and go back to your link and go to the WordPress dashboard. We'll take a page. hit add page and give a title. I'm leaving the title like so. Now just slash button appears. Okay, so what would be the button link? So you can customize your button link. I'm just leaving with enroll now. So the button, I'm giving my link, just paste it and hit link. Yeah, successfully linked. Yeah, successfully linked. Just hit publish. What we can see. Yeah, this is awesome. Just hit enroll now. We can see we just moved there to there. So now anyone who visits my website can find it, and if they want to join the course, they will be, redirected to my community as well as the courses directly. So as the privacy of the community and the course is set to public, so they can join them easily. Okay, so let's quickly create a course-specific interactive discussion space for them. So this is actually, pretty much straightforward. So let's go to the space. Okay, just hit new space. So as it is discussion space, so I'll just take discussion space, hit next. So what will be my space title? Okay, discussion title and slug for my discussion space. Nice. So I'll add some short description on it. Awesome. So in the privacy settings, I'll just make it public, and I will enable it because anyone who want to join in the space, they need to request before joining. So moving forward to the menu group. So as it is course, I'll select course. Okay, who can space view members? I will go with the members only, right? Just hit continue. So here is the new pop-up window open. So everything is look great. I'm going with the uploading the discussion thumbnail as I created earlier. I'll just hit open. Awesome. There is some recommended size. You can follow this. Okay, just hit create. And my e-learning discussion forum is already created. As you can see, there is about, it is public, and if there are any space activities, if I do any space activities, that will be shown there. So with the course and space ready, let me show you how you can add members to start engaging with them. If I go to the members, you can see there is invitations. Just hit invitations. So if you invite someone, they can easily visible there. I'm going with the new invitee. So I'm going there, and here is my WordPress users. I can easily invite them. So I'm just selecting one by one. Member role, like their member. So adding as a member. So user has been added to this space. Nice. So I'm adding another one as a member. Yeah, user has been added. So I'm adding a moderator for this space, like someone would be the moderator. Yeah, you can easily add this. Okay. Also updated. Awesome. So with that, I have a course, a discussion space to share knowledge and members to thrive with. So all without spending a penny and on the go. So if you want a complete package that offers community interaction, course building flexibility, and easy management, FluentCommunity is your ultimate way to go. Try it out, and if you find this tutorial helpful, let us know about it in the comment section, and hit the subscribe button to get regular updates from WPManageNinja. Goodbye.